antibiotic drinks, mild cough, and lose weight. Natural medicine. Carrot. Ginger. Peel carrot skin until clean. Carrots contains antioxidants, also help the body fight free radicals. Because of its nutritional and vitamin content, carrots can treat coughs naturally. Wash the material before use. Thinly slice the carrots. Thinly sliced ginger. Ginger is proven to soothe the throat by thinning the mucus in the throat. Put all the ingredients into the blender. Add water, 200 milliliters. Blend until evenly mixed and smooth. Strain until separated from the dregs. These two ingredients are very effective for relieving dry and wet coughs, and can help you lose weight. For coughs, drink 2 eggs a day, and for diet consumption, drink 3 to 4 glasses a week.